Hi, my name is Natalia, and 6 years ago I moved to Vienna, Austria. Honestly, I thought I was prepared. I've spent months studying German grammar with my tutor, but when I arrived, I felt completely lost. I just couldn't understand the people around me, and the words I have memorized didn't help in real-life situations. That's when I realized that grammar-heavy courses don't actually prepare you for the real life. So I created this basic German survival course, a practical guide designed to give you the German you'll need from the day one. In just 19 short lessons, you will learn how to greet people, how to order food, ask for the directions, go to the pharmacy, visit a doctor, and just handle the daily life situations. Actually, this is the guide I wish I had when I first moved. It is simple, clear, and focused only on the things you will actually use. So basically, just the essentials to make your life easier. So, see you in the next lesson. Bye bye!